Now, Stormtracker 9 weather with meteorologist Marissa Walzak.
Well, today we saw some breezy conditions, though the winds weren't as strong as what we saw yesterday, but still some pretty good wind gusts out there. Here's a look at what we've seen over the past 24 hours. The strongest in Newport at 60 miles per hour, Florence at 35 miles per hour, North Bend, you saw wind gusts of 41 miles per hour. You're heading along I-5, looking at wind gusts into the 40s in the Willamette Valley, 20s though the further south you head. Also into Central Oregon, wind gusts up to about 35 miles per hour in Bend, 22 in Sun River. Here's a look at what we saw today. Temperatures about average for this time of year. 38 this morning in Eugene. This afternoon getting up to 52 degrees, so a degree warmer in average. Today we picked up a 1/4 inch of rainfall, still once again below where we should be for at least 2014. Even further than that for our water year, which starts October 1st. We're nearly almost 16 inches below, still where we should be. High temperatures across the rest of the area. 45 was the high today in Bend. Along I-5 it was 55 in Corvallis, 54 in Roseburg. Out to the coast it was 55 in North Bend, 50 in Newport this afternoon, so slightly cooler in a few spots than what we saw yesterday. Right now we're looking at the low 50s along the coast. Along I-5 looking at those upper 40s, still at 50 though in Roseburg. You work your way into Central Oregon, looking at 39 in Bend, 36 in Sun River at this hour. Satellite radar still showing plenty of clouds out there, though the further south you go into Douglas County, seeing more clear skies. The further north you go, looking at more rain showers, so still some showers out there. Coast Range, Willamette Valley, also into the Cascades. Looking at snow showers above about 3,500 feet. Now these showers are all due to the next storm. We're going to work its way through the area. Heavy rain right now working into western Washington as well as into the northwestern portion of our state, and it's all part of this cold front that will eventually work through our area once we get into tomorrow. That's when we're going to see the heaviest rain, mainly tomorrow afternoon. Still seeing a few showers before that though tonight and into tomorrow morning. So here's how the next 24 hours look on Stormcast. We'll start it off tonight right around 6:30, putting things into motion. There's that cold front kind of stalling a little bit to our north and west, but eventually those showers move through the area. Heaviest rain will be tomorrow afternoon. And once again, we're also looking at some good snowfall for the ski resorts, so good news there. Looking at a substantial amount of snowfall expected tomorrow, anywhere from about 8 to 16 inches expected above about 3,000 feet, so good for those ski resorts. Tomorrow along the coast, it is going to be wet and windy. High temperatures will be back into the low 50s. The strongest winds will be in the morning as that high wind warning continues. Could see some wind gusts overnight up to 70 miles per hour. Umpqua Basin, breezy winds will be out of the south 10 to 15. Otherwise, that rain moving in. For the Cascades, once again, that snow line about 3,500 feet, so snow showers above that, rain below that. A wintry mix into Central Oregon also will be breezy with winds out of the southwest, 20 to 30 miles per hour. A little bit lighter in the Willamette Valley in terms of the wind, but still going to look at some heavy rain showers, especially in the afternoon tomorrow. 7-day forecast along the coast, wet and windy with a second storm on Tuesday. We'll have another storm on Thursday, bringing more rain for the area. The Umpqua Basin also looking at some wet weather with the next 3 storms. Otherwise, we're going to look at temperatures about average, so not too much of a change there. For the Cascades, we are looking at some snow showers, also breezy tomorrow and Tuesday. You can see that snow line falls to about 2,000 feet when the showers wrap up with the 3rd storm on Friday. For the Willamette Valley, we are mainly looking at those rain showers across the area, breezy as we get into tomorrow and into Tuesday. We'll see a slight break Wednesday, but more rain with the 3rd storm on Thursday. So, Bob, another wet week ahead, much like what we saw last week, but so far there's some hope in the future. By next weekend, may actually not be too bad.
Yeah.
Maybe dry, may be mostly sunny too.
I remember a couple of weeks ago we were asking for rain. Boy, did we get it.
Yeah, right? All at once. It just couldn't be all spread out. That would have been nice, but no, all at once.